Welcome to the tutorial of corner first method. In this method we will solve the corners first and then the edges, but at first we will place the yellow edges around the white middle piece like this cube. White piece is here and yellow piece is here, white piece is here, yellow piece here, here, like this. We will do this for faster cubing. If we do this, we can solve the white edge and yellow edge at together at the fourth steps. So now we can start with an unsolved Rubik's cube. First we will place the yellow edges around the white middle piece. There is a yellow piece. It is very easy. Do it. There is a yellow piece. Just turn it and turn it and turn this. There is a yellow piece and it. First step complete. Okay, I will review it again. The piece is here, but we need to twist it. Do it. It is solved. It is also solved. Here is the yellow piece and complete. Now we will learn about the second step. In the second step we will solve the white corners. Here will be white corners, while will be white corners, here will be white corners, here will be white corners. There are three cases for this step. Now the first cases. This is the first cases. White middle piece is here, but the corners are here. If the white corner is back and right, now we will use this algorithm U invert. This algorithm U invert. U invert. This is solved. And if the white corner is in front and right, we will use the opposite algorithm. It means U invert, R invert, U invert, R invert, U. It is solved. Now the second case. The case is white corner is in opposite side. Here is the white middle piece, but the corner is here. The white corner is opposite side. We will use a algorithm. This algorithm U invert R to U. U invert R to U. Okay. White middle piece is here and the corner is here. U invert R to U. Now it is the first. Now it is like the first case, and you can easily solve it by U invert R invert U. And the step 3, white piece is here and the corner piece is here. Yes, corner piece is here. There are two scenarios: white corner in front and left side, white corner in back and left side. For white corner in front and left side, we use this algorithm U invert R invert U. This algorithm U invert R invert U. And white corner is left side and back, we use this algorithm U invert. U invert. Now it is the first case. You can easily solve this. There is also the first case. You can easily solve this by U invert. So you can easily solve the in this, by following these three steps we can easily solve the corners. Now the example solves. This is the first case. Now the algorithm U invert R invert U, and this is the second case. Now the algorithm U invert R invert U. This is also the first case. You can solve this. This is the third case. Now the white corners are solved. I can again show it with another cube. The first case is solved. The white corners are solved.